A 35-year-old single architect undertook a complete renovation of his apartment, transforming it from a dark, outdated space into a modern, light-filled haven. His vision was to create a smooth, timeless environment with light colors that harmonize with natural light and the balcony's landscaping. The renovation transformed the original 3-bedroom layout into a 2-suite apartment, expanding the laundry room and adding a guest toilet. Key inspirations for the project included minimizing the reliance on art by focusing on carpentry and using indirect lighting to enhance the ambience. Exposed structural elements, like pillars, were incorporated into the design, adding unique architectural flair. A significant design challenge was an awkwardly placed beam pillar in the master bedroom, which was turned into a visual feature despite reducing the bathroom size. The choice of materials played a crucial role in achieving the desired aesthetic. Exposed concrete, oak-stained wood joinery, porcelain flooring, and marble in the kitchen were selected for their durability and timeless appeal. The kitchen, designed as a social hub, features hidden appliances and a wide mirror sliding door that connects it with the living room. The bedroom showcases an exposed beam pillar, joinery headboard, and paintings by Florian and Barsotti, creating a serene and artistic atmosphere. In the living room, visible pillars, previously hidden within walls, now define the space, complemented by slatted panels and indirect lighting. Furniture like a large sofa, a cultural heritage coffee table, and a Danish armchair add sophistication. The dramatic bathroom is entirely covered in wood, with indirect lighting around the mirror and an exposed concrete pillar. The balcony, designed with Bia Brew, features plants in ceramic vases, providing a tranquil outdoor retreat. The renovation also includes unique and collectible items, such as kitchen stools designed by Alexandre Dal Fabbro and a Serge Mouille dining lamp. This project highlights the architect's ability to blend functionality, aesthetics, and personal touches, resulting in a sophisticated, timeless living space. The thoughtful design, careful selection of materials, and innovative solutions reflect the architect's dedication to creating a beautiful and practical home.